Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Gemini, May 21 to June 20. Today is Saturday, 1st of June 2024. Our horoscope is about obedience, not the blind obedience. You obey because you know for a fact that he or she must be obeyed or the law must be obeyed. Sa horoscope natin ngayon ay kung hindi ka sumunod sa batas, may kaukulang parusa. Manatili kang law-abiding citizen. Manatili kang sumusunod sa sinasabi yun na yung sa iyong batas. So, ang ating horoscope ay binibigyan tayo ng paalaala, reminder, na meron talagang dapat tayong sundin.